Hey guys, welcome to our next video tutorial, that is Java data types. So that is a very important tutorial. Java is a strong typed programming language. So Java is a strong typed programming language. What is mean by that? So suppose here if I say int x equal to 10, it says okay, I accept that because 10 is the integer. But if I say x equal to 10.6, then the compiler will give the error cannot convert double into integer. So it says from double to int, it is not able to convert. Or we can say boolean a equal to 0. Because this is strongly typed language, so both the types should be equal. So that is why we can say that Java is a strong typed programming language. Now the second point is Java is not considered Java is not considered as a pure object-oriented programming language because it used data primitive types. It means we have integer, we have float, boolean, char, all these are the primitive data types. So that is why Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. Other than that, Java don't support operator overloading and multiple inheritance. That is actually covered in C or C++ language. So that is the another reason we can say that Java is not considered as pure object-oriented programming language. Now we can say what is primitive data types. So here primitive data types are divided into two parts. One is the numeric data types and the second one is the known numeric data types. All right, guys, now in the numeric data types, we have integral data types. So in the numeric data types, we have integral data types. All these are very important for the interview purpose as well. So in the integral data types, first we have byte. So here, can anyone tell me, what is the size of the byte? The size of the byte is 8 bit. All right, and its maximum value is plus 127 and minimum value is minus 127. All right, guys, so here if we use byte as an example, byte b equal to 127, then it is able to accept it. But if I say byte c equal to 128, then it shows us the error. And what is the error? Cannot convert from int to byte, because here the maximum value is 127 and we are saying hey, accept 128. All right, so this is the problem here. So you guys can understand, what is byte. So byte has the size 8 bit, maximum value is 127 and minimum value is minus 127. All right, now where we can use byte? So byte we can use where we need to handle data in terms of stream. All right, where we need to handle data in terms of streams, because streams use bytes. All right, so this is the use case of byte. Now the second one we come up with short. All right, so this is short. So this is the second one. So what is the size of the short? That is 2 bytes, means 16 bits. All right. So this is the size of the short. And what is the range? Range is 2 raised to power 15 to 2 raised to power 15 minus 1. So this is the range of the short. All right, guys. And what is the range? So the minimum value is minus 32768 to plus 32767. All right. So so everybody, know, if you are doing the Java programming, you never use short, because maximum usage right now is the int only. Short is actually used for the processor, 16-bit processor, like we have 80, 85, 80, 86, because read and write process is very easy and efficient, and now they are outdated. So that is why nobody is using the short data types. So the usage of short is actually using in the 80, 85, and 80, 86 microprocessors, because the read and write operation is very easy in that case. But now, as both the processors are outdated, so nobody is actually using the short. So so this is all about the short. All right. So the next is integer. So that is the one data types that is actually mostly used, everywhere. So if someone asks you what is the size of integer, so what you can say? It is 4 bytes, correct. So 4 byte means 32 bits. And what is the range? Range is minus 2 raised to power 31 to 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. All right. And what is the max and minimum value? So minimum value is minus 21474836482 214748347. All right, so this is the minimum and the maximum value. So and again, this is the most common data types. So if I say integer x equal to the maximum value, so this is correct, and compiler will accept it. But if I change that to 8, so so if I do that like this, so here this is not acceptable. All right, because this is a too high value, and it asks, okay, change it to long, and after that I can accept that, because this is the fourth data type, that is the long, and it has the capacity of 8 bytes, that means 64 bits. Okay, and the range is minus 2 raised to power 63 to 2 raised to power 63 minus 1. So guys, this is the range. So where we can use that? So suppose there is a problem where you need to count all the characters in a very big, data file. For that you can use long. So all this is the integral data types, and the next one is the, floating. So floating data type, so that we will cover in our next tutorial. Thank you.